this is me Anand Kumar. Welcome back at Yula Club channel. Today I am talking about high protein source. Yes, if you want to take a diet for high protein, if you are going to gym and you have to take a high protein source, so I am talking about today peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter has a high protein diet for gym going persons. So this is the great source. If you want to high protein source, you can buy this peanut butter, and it cost at market. If you want to genuine peanut butter like Pentola and Alpolines, so you can buy this from online market and it will cost you around 500. But if you want cheap and low price home based peanut butter, it is amazing option for peanut butter. It will not cost more than 200 because you need only the peanuts from the store, and take that and make peanuts butter at home very easily. So in this video I will talk about how to make peanut butter very easily. Let's check out. Guys, how to make the peanut butter at home. This is grinder and peel off the peanuts from peanuts and pour these peanuts into the grinder and grind the peanuts until the paste. And so you will find the complete peanut, convert to it to paste, and then you will find peanut butter. This is home-based recipe how to make peanut butter at home, and this peanut is completely healthy, and it is your choice. How do you want according your taste. This peanut, I am making a peanut, just adding the peanut and nothing any substance I am adding. You can add mix sugar or jaggery or anything else, any sweetener you can add it, but I am not adding it. I want just peanut butter completely. So it is a complete source of protein. Every health take care, every gym going person like this protein, and this is completely an original peanut protein. Until the peanut converted to paste. So it's very easy to make the peanut butter at home. So I made this peanut butter and I showing you how is it. It is a very organic and very thick peanut butter. I made it, and this is genuine peanut butter. It is not any substance inside in this, and this is very high protein, and it will cost me only 150 because I used half kg peanuts. And if you want to make peanut butter, I provide this detail in this video. You can make your peanut butter at home and you can get the best protein source for your health. So guys, I will meet you in next video. Till then, good night, Jai Hind.